Hey everybody, this week's video is on don't use the C word. So what am I talking about? What's the C word? Well, it's a term that people very commonly use to describe their adjustment. They'll say, hey, I'm going for a crack, or I'm just gonna go get my neck cracked, and they say those things all the time. And this week we've been talking about, what does that actually mean? Well, if you looked in the dictionary, like what does a crack mean? It means to break something, right? Versus the term that we prefer to use, which is to adjust. And adjust means to shift slightly in order to achieve a desired outcome or desired result. Which one sounds nicer to you, right? I would prefer to get adjusted than cracked. So I would encourage you to use that language. Another really, really important reason why is because some people are scared to come get adjusted, because part of the reason is that term. It sounds scary, it sounds harsh, and a lot of people, it really can deter them from coming to see a chiropractor because they're worried about it or they think it's scary. And it's totally not, but if you've never been in this environment, it sounds horrible, right? So in all seriousness, if you could just start to use the adjusted word, it just will, sound so much better, and it'll motivate people to come in as opposed to being scared. So always remember, you're not an egg, you get adjusted, you don't get cracked, right? Thanks for listening, have a great day.